this beautiful guy right now is in this beautiful village. The name of the village is La. It's 10:30 a.m. and we are going towards Inle Lake from Kalaw. So far it's been good. It's like almost 10 kilometers, and now maybe after like half hour we'll get to have a breakfast. And it's little hot. Yeah, but it's beautiful. It's nice. I think this is the way. Little off-roading here. We missed one of our road and we had to take this. And it looks... Yahi road hai? Turning back. Good job. Now where do we go? Aaja. Auntie laat maregi nahi to. Oh, there was another way. Dude. It's so refreshing, like just taking a walk away from the city and into the nature. You see, it's like farms everywhere, like trees and like birds chirping. And I am walking alone now, so it feels like awesome. Everything is so nice, like hiking from one village to another village. But there's one problem. There's one problem. They're dogs. If you are also scared by dogs like me, then it can be a problem. Minglava. Huh? Ingle. Yeah, Ingle. Alumira. Me? India? Outside? India. Just met two old grannies and they were trying to communicate in their own language. I was not understanding anything except one thing, that they wanted to know that if I'm alone, and I guessed if they wanted to know where I am from. So yeah, it was nice talking to them, though I didn't understand anything, but it was fun. I feel like a foreigner. Dude. And please, come on. Yes. Minglava. क्या कर रहे हो? उधर जा रहे हो? क्या करने? खेती बाड़ी करने? ठीक. इनको हिंदी आती है. Straight. Okay. Your name? Thunsui. I'm Raghu. Thunsui. Shekhe. Gargi. Thunsui. Shekhe. Together.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Right now it's like 7 a.m. We got up at 6 a.m. actually, but it was all Kora. That's why we couldn't go anywhere. But now it's still 7:15 and still it's Kora, and we are waiting for the breakfast right now. So once the breakfast is ready, we'll have breakfast and then we'll leave for Inle Lake, which is another 20 kilometers from here. It took 10 hours for us to reach here. We started at 8 a.m. yesterday from Kalaw, and we reached here by 6 p.m. and it was dark. We took so many breaks. Usually people don't take this much of time, but because we were carrying so much of luggage, like huge
Like
bags,
at least 10 kg each.
yeah, and it was like really difficult to walk by carrying those, and her shoulder started hurting.
If you do not have a lot of luggage, then don't worry, you can do this very easily. If you do have a lot of luggage,
Yeah.
either take a stop before this village. There's a village called Lemine. You can stay there.
So yeah, just advice, when you want to do this trek, don't carry luggage, like huge heavy luggage. Just go on your own. Otherwise it's like really easy. There's no difficulty as such.
No difficulty. And amazing views. So in the beginning, you'll feel like, oh, this is really normal. But nice rolling mountains and stream once in a while. Village people doing their village things.
Chezuba.
Howdy.
Thank you.
Nó là cọp chẳng là cái cháu. Nó hỏi lại cháu. Vâng.
हाँ हाँ वापस आओगे तो आना सोने के लिए. Thank you. Bye. 8:30 in the morning. Now we have left Khonla and going towards.
Hopefully, we're going to do the whole Inle today, unless our legs give way.
Yeah, it's already a little painful for me, but you know, I am Raghu Raahi. You guys know that, right?
Nautanki Sala.
And this guy will not give up. I will take you guys to Inle today. Look at this beautiful view, ladies. Attu? Okay. This is Sparta. No, this is not Sparta. This is Myanmar. Thank you. This is how the second day of the trek ends.
With broken legs, paining backs, and an amazing boat ride. Oh, and a very nice hitchhike as well.
Yeah, and now we walk slowly towards our hostel to take this night. That's it. I don't have anything else to say.
I can't even correct that kind of grammar.
Yep. Good nighty, ladies and gentlemen.
1.5 kilometers is bata raha मेरे को तो.